All right, so now this is midterm review 1, number 12. If a car dealership sets the price of its cars at $28,000, they will sell 54 cars. Every time they drop their price by $720, 2 more cars will be sold. What should the price of cars be set at in order to maximize their sales? All right, so the first thing you want to do is, once again, to state what you're going to set X and Y equal to. So I'm going to set X equal to the number of price decreases, because I don't know how many times they're going to decrease their price. Maybe once, maybe twice, however many times they need to decrease it in order to maximize their sales. And therefore, Y is going to be their revenue. So right now today, before they do anything, their revenue would be $28,000. That's how much they're selling their cars for. And at that price, they're selling 54 cars. So that's their revenue right now today. But every time they decrease their price, so minus 720 X, because I don't know how many times they're going to decrease their price, they gain, so plus 2 cars. So now we have an equation and we can solve for X, and that'll tell us how many times they need to decrease their price to maximize their revenue. So once again, you can do this algebraically or you can do a graphing. I think graphing is a little bit easier. So you would go to your Y editor and you'd put this equation into your Y editor, 28,000 minus 720X times 54 plus 2X. And you'd find a window. This one I have going from, on my X's, I have them going from 0 to 50. And on my Y's, I have them going 0 to 2 million. And when you graph it, this is what your graph looks like. And again, you want to find your vertex. So second trace, you're going to find the maximum. You've got to put the cursor on the left side of your vertex and hit enter. And then put it to the right side of your vertex and hit enter. And then it says guess, so you're going to hit enter again. And it gives you that your maximum is, we're going to round that to 6, and 1562884. So there's your vertex. Now, once again, if you use the calculator to solve this, you need to go ahead and draw your window. And this is your number of price decreases, and this here is revenue. All right, so this tells me, because this was my vertex, this tells me that I have to decrease my price 6 times. But every time I decrease it, it's 720. So I'm going to take a total decrease of 4,320. Well, I'm currently charging 28,000, and I want to decrease my price by 4,320. So the new price I should charge for my cars are $23,680.